Welcome to Boomer. It's been a 4-month build time. We've finished construction. It's looking fantastic. Let's take a look. So the transformation of this property is just unreal. Now, as you arrive, coming down the street, you just get greeted by this crisp, clean building. It's got real snappy, clean lines. We've used the Euro Plus snap lock there from Revolution Roofing. It's come up looking great. And I mean, it's a real statement piece now as you drive from the street when looking at this home. So we really wanted to emphasize on this build the curve, and so rather than just have a flat ceiling, we've gone for a curved ceiling, and we created that using a rondo system. We also included these MDF bulkheads that are going to house the blinds. I mean, it's a real standout feature. It could have just been flat, it would have been easier, but you've got this beautiful gentle curve inside, and it's quite nice. And then working over, obviously we've got a real standout hero piece, which is our Aurora hanging suspended fireplace. I mean, it looks mean, it looks tough, it's great, and I'm sure the owners are going to have a great time using that. And then as we come over to this side, we've reused some of the owners' floorboards that they've got throughout this house and created a great little spot to have a drink. And this is not actually a window, it's a sliding door, and we've put on a safety screen. You know, you can get some fresh air in here whenever you might want to get some natural ventilation. So one of the other things that we've done on this project, and it's really kind of outside of the box, is we've added in some sprinkler system that is all around the building. We've painted it white so it blends in, and basically it's fresh water to wash these windows. So you get a lot of the salt breeze and the water, and it just sits on the glass. And so we've got a little tap over there in the corner, hidden in that little niche, and you can turn it on, and it basically makes it look like it's raining around all the windows and cleans and washes the windows. So while it looks like a straightforward build, it's actually quite a complex build, because we've got wall-to-wall windows on a building that was slightly out of square, and behind the gyprock is not actually timber, it's block work with rondo channels, and we've got rondo in the ceiling, and we've got an existing stairwell and cladding, and all these little elements that needed to line up millimeter perfect, or it would have been a disaster. We've also got the location. The location of this job has been a challenge with the weather, the constant wind, the constant rain. It's been a site that it cops from the elements constantly, which is a big challenge for building in this kind of location. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed what we've done here. It's been an absolute privilege to build this extension renovation. I love what we've done here. I love the finished product. It's come up great. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.